Hello everyone. So far we have talked about the behavior of numbers, behavior of odd and even numbers, and I hope that you have practiced by taking these odd and even numbers of different types, then also analyzed the behavior of the numbers by adding its digits, and then tried to have certain confidence. Now, in this lecture, we are going to have, some practice on the reading of tables of two-digit numbers with ease. So, we all know that reading tables are very important, when we solve the problems of mathematics. So, tables up to 20 normally we remember because we are made to practice for reading the tables up to 20. But then if you have to, do the multiplications with ease and confidence, you have to practice reading tables of a two-digit numbers. We will go for even three-digit numbers in our next lecture, but let us confine our discussion on reading tables of two-digit numbers in this lecture. So in that we will be talking on those issues like once we read the tables, how can we do fast, how can we ascertain also, how can we check that whatever we have done, whether it is right or not. So basically tables means you have to multiply the number with digits up to 9, like we read tables like 64 1 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128, 60 or 68 1 ja 68, 68 7 ja suppose 476, 79 8 ja 632, 59 8 ja 472, like that. So this is upon the practice, and also at the same time you have to check in your mind itself that whether you are right or wrong. Suppose 59 8 is 472 I told. Now see, 59 is having behavior of 5 and 8 is behavior of 8. Multiplication after 2 must give you a number with behavior 4, and 472 is the number with behavior 4. So that way, and also if you take of even number wise, so it should be of 4n type, so it is there. So like that, so we will discuss in this lecture few things in those aspects, and try to practice, and my appeal will be that you practice more and more so that you are comfortable on multiplying two-digit numbers. So once for reading two-digit numbers table with ease, you need to know one-digit number table with ease, and that I think most of us have the that much of expertise. That much we know, like table up to 9, so in that there are that way we use those concepts for the two-digit numbers. So let us go to the techniques for having the two-digit numbers, and we will select a pen for that, and let us see that suppose you have a two-digit number 17 and you are multiplying with 7, so it should be 119. We know that, and how it is of behavior 8, it is of behavior 7, so it should be of behavior 2. So that you see that it is fine, because you know that first digit has to be 9, and then second digit it will be between 7 and 14, so it is 11, because with 9 here this number must have a behavior of 2, so that is 2. Now you see, why not somebody told 17 into 7, somebody has mistakenly written 129. Now you have to tell that it is wrong. What are the ways by which you can say it has to be wrong? So thing is that this is, first of all, by behavior it is 8 and this is of behavior 7, so it has to be of behavior 2, which it is not. It is of behavior 3, so it is wrong. Second thing, this is of number type odd number of type 4n plus 1. This is of odd number type 4n plus 3, so its product has to be of 4n plus 3, which it is not, because it is of 4n plus 1 type, so that way also it is wrong. So in these two ways you can just check it. And then how to do it? So you know that if you do 17 into 7, so you know 1 into 7 is 7, and 7 into 7 is 49. So this 49 will be kept here, so you will have 7 and 0 and 49, so it will be 11 9. So that is the normal way by which you do the tables. Now go to a number, suppose it 37. Now this 37 is table 1 is fine, 37 into 1 is 37, fine. Let us go to, so what in table, while you read table, it's better to go for a table to multiply the numbers with either 2, you should know better, to multiply with 2, with 3, and with 5, and with 7. So basically, if you know you have to primarily multiply with these 4 numbers, then you can better read the tables quickly. Suppose you read the table of 37. 37 ones are 37, 37 twos are 74. So that quickly you can do 3 twos are 2, 6, and 7 twos are 14. So 6 plus 1, 7, 4, 74. 37 threes are, so 3 threes are 9, and 7 threes are 21. So suppose 37 into 3. So 3 threes are 9, and 7 threes are 21. So 9 plus 2, 11, and 1. So that way you can get 111. So 37 threes are 111. 37 fours are 148. Now see, once you know 37 twos are 74, multiply it with 2. Because multiplying with 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 5, it is easier. So you have to only do that, and only one remains 7. So for that you need to have proper understanding. So you got 37 into 4, 148, 37 5s are, whenever you have to multiply any number with 5, just do half of it and multiply with 10. So 37 half will be 18.5, and since you give one multiply with 10, so it will be 185. So that is one concept. When you multiply anything with 5, with 6, you will have to multiply with 2 first and then multiply with 3 first, so it will be 222. With 7 you need to know, so suppose 37 multiplied by 7, so you need to know 3 7s are 21, and you need to know 7 7s are 49, so you just add here. So 21 plus 4, 25, and 9. So but this you have to do in your mind, because you must know how to place where, because you are one number has the face value, although it is 3, but it has place value of 30. So that way you will have, so 37 7s are 259, 37 8s are again 37 into 2 into 2 into 2, so it will come 296, 37 9s are 37 into 3, 111 into 3, 333, and this way you will get 37 10s are 370. So this can be read quite quickly, and this you make the practice of having these multiplications. So like you read, suppose say of some number close to say 83. So 83 is 83 2s are 166, 83 3s are 249, 83 4s are 332, 83 5s are 415, 83 6s are 498, 83 7s are 581, 83 8s are 664, 83 9s are 747, 83 10s are 830. Now you see, if you do this, 83 2s are 166 of behavior 4, then it becomes 6, then it becomes 8, then it becomes 4 further. So this way 83 this is behavior 1, 83 into 5, so 2 into 5, so it is behavior 1. This becomes behavior 3, this behavior becomes 5, this behavior becomes 7, this behavior becomes 9, this behavior becomes 2. So that way behavior is changing, and you can very much see that how you have to multiply quickly, and then at the same time you just see that whether the placement of numbers are right or not. So this way you can have the reading of these type of tables. Do practice more and more and gain confidence. Thank you.